Hey everyone, if GX Corner in Opera GX is not loading, showing blank content, or not updating news and deals, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get GX Corner working again. First, close Opera GX completely and reopen it. Temporary glitches can sometimes break GX Corner content. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Yeah, GX Corner needs a working connection to load live content. Try refreshing the GX Corner page. Sometimes it just fails to load properly on the first attempt. Opera GX's built-in ad blocker or shield can sometimes block GX Corner elements, so try turning it off temporarily. Corrupted cache files can prevent GX Corner from loading correctly. Clearing browser data may fix this issue. Some extensions can block scripts or content on GX Corner. Yeah, disabling them can help identify the issue. Make sure Opera GX is fully updated. Outdated versions can break GX Corner features. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily, so it may block regional GX Corner content. If GX Corner works in incognito mode, the issue is likely caused by extensions or cached data. Yeah, this helps isolate the problem. If nothing works, reset Opera GX settings to default. This can fix hidden configuration issues affecting GX Corner. If the issue still continues, reinstall Opera GX. A fresh installation can fix corrupted browser components. If GX Corner still doesn't work, contact Opera GX support. They can help diagnose deeper browser or content loading issues, and that's it. One of these methods should help fix GX Corner not working and restore live content in Opera GX. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.